0.07 Celsius.
Okay.
0. Remarks.
We are at Wenatchee Pangborn Airport.
900.
I've just done a cherry drawing flight,
Wenatchee Pangborn.
and I'm headed back to my base.
Weather observation 0.
Do my mag check,
Zulu.
needle split.
280 at 0.
What you're listening to is the ATIS, or AWAS I should say, Automated Weather Observation System.
5,000. Broken 8,000. Overcast.
And I know I'm parked really close to that fuel truck, and I think we'll be okay.
Dew point 0.6 Celsius. Altimeter 2.
So, I'm going to...
Traffic from here, 390 Mike Lunas over Quincy, shooting us straight in, runway 30 Wenatchee.
Okay, there's a plane over Quincy inbound, but Quincy's pretty far away, so I'm not worried about him. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to back up a tiny bit because I'm really close to that truck, and then we'll take off across the runway. So let's do. Wenatchee area traffic, helicopter 7534 Delta on the ground near the fuel island is going to be departing to the south. Okay, lift up the collective. Get light on the skids. We should be pretty heavy, back heavy actually, because we're full of fuel now. Move away from the truck, yes, because we don't want to be by a truck. Okay, wind's coming out of the side. I think we could take off crosswind though. And Wenatchee traffic, helicopter 34 Delta's crossing the runway. I do want to check one thing out. Still some rain in the area. I don't think there's any other helicopters flying though. So I did hear something out that way. Okay, we'll turn inbound.
Match traffic from here, 390 Mike Lehman's 3.7 over Alcoa, straight in runway 30 Wenatchee.
He's all the way down, I guess about 5 miles down that way, so we're no factor. He's in for the airport. I don't want to confuse him with a radio call. I do want to fly around a little to see if anybody else is flying. This is one of the orchards that I dry. He says his next door neighbor had a pilot out for his, but I don't think it rained enough. And Wenatchee area traffic, helicopter 34 Delta is over by 3 Lakes. We are headed southeastbound to a landing zone in South Malaga.
Was just crossing the river.
So I know there's wires ahead of me. I'm not going to hit them. I'm going to turn before I get to them. Descending. And then I make a tight 180-degree turn. And line up with this little dirt runway. And my parking spot's over by my fuel truck, my fuel trailer. And it is not level. That's pretty much it. So I'll cool down the engine now and shut it down, and you don't need to watch all that. I hope you enjoyed the flight. Nothing too special. Just getting out, getting back after work.